Good morning, everybody. We're going to start our virtual tour. We're going to walk you through the school. I'm Miss Ellis.
I'm Mr. Lubitinsky.
I'm Mrs. Stevenson.
And currently we are in the guidance department. I'll just do a little turn so you can see. So normally you'll book your appointments in guidance on Teach Assist, on your Teach Assist account. And then you'll book a time, and currently we're meeting students via Google Meet. Hopefully by next year we'll be able to meet face to face. I'm just going to show you some of our other counselors. I have Miss Wadowski, she's going to wave.
I'm not sure if it's
and I've got Miss Demetto. Okay, so we're going to leave guidance, follow me, and we're headed to student success. Student success is in room 119. Come on in. So hopefully by next year we're going to be back in room 114, but currently we're in 119. This is Miss Santorelli, our student success teacher. Miss Santorelli, why would you come here?
Well, basically, Ms. Santorelli, I'm Student Success. You would come here if you need extra support in your classes. If you're struggling with an assignment, you can let your teachers know, you can come down, you can sign in, we can help you work on anything that you need.
Is there computers for students to work on?
Absolutely, we have computers. We also have Ms. Sovrat, she's not here right now, but Ms. Sovrat also is an extra support that can help you. But we have computers, we have supplies, whatever you need, we have.
Great, thanks so much.
Thank
See
you.
you later.
Bye.
All right, follow me. We're on our way to family studies. Yourself in a class where you're doing a variety of things, including cooking or possibly fashion. We're just gonna quickly go in and say good morning. Good morning, everybody. So this is one of our family studies classes, and this is where you might find yourself next year. Thanks, everyone. I think we should head upstairs maybe to the library. So welcome to the library. Sadly, it is very empty right now. Normally it's a very thriving, robust place to be. However, next year when you come, please make sure you come up and check out all the opportunities in this library. The special ed department. And we have Miss Van Coller. She's head of special ed. So Miss Van Coller, this is a video for grade 8s. We're doing a virtual tour so that they have an idea of where they can go for help, etc. So just to introduce yourself, who would be available to come, or who would be coming to special ed? Which students?
Good morning, everybody. We're looking forward to you coming to Stephen Lewis. Yes, this is the place that you would come to look for help if you are an identified student and you need some support. And we have at least 10 teachers here at Stephen Lewis. You will be assigned your own specific cert, and that will be your go-to person.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your help. Have a great day. Okay, so unfortunately there isn't a class going on right now, but as you can see, the hair and aesthetics department is pretty incredible. So you get to learn all about working with hair, scalp massages, nails, skin, aesthetics. You'll work on the mannequin heads, you'll learn how to dye hair, cut hair, style hair. There's everything you would need. A big piece on makeup. Anybody is eligible to take this course. Again, even if you're not headed down this path, what a great skill to learn. So let's now head back up to the science department.
Got it. So someone inside the story is telling you the actual... Hello.
This is Mr. Schaefer, English class. Woo! Grade 8, incoming grade 8 video.
Welcome, everybody.
Woohoo! Bye. Okay, so we're going to head into Miss Galoro's science class. They're about to do a lab.
You're going to take the filter paper, you're going to put it on here, And we're gonna store it, see where Rachel is? In that corner, that lab bench back there. It will dry over the next 2 days, and when you are back on Thursday, we will measure it fast. Got it? Okay, the most important thing, goggles on at all times. Stick to your own
I think we're gonna head out because she's right in the middle of the
side.
lesson. Students in action.
Because I'm not gonna put the hot tomato sauce on my cold dough. You wanna make sure it's cool before you put it on your dough.
So you'll notice that it's an industrial sized kitchen and you're working on gas stoves. That's Mr. Morrow and they're making pizza today. Come on with me and now let's head to music. At this moment, but this is the music room. Our head of music is Mr. Sarapelia. He's not in here at this moment. However, this is the music room. There's breakout rooms over there where you can practice, and they have terrific sound attenuation. So this is the place to be if you love music. And we're going to head down to drama. Follow me.
Why, hello.
Good morning. So this is Mr. Del Bianco, and this is, what grade is this? 9. This is a grade 9 drama course. You might be taking this next year. We're just doing a little film for incoming grade 8. Anything you want to tell them? Scared. Let's not be scared. All right, so hopefully you're enjoying the class. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay, let's go into the gym. One of our gyms. Follow me and we'll walk through. Okay, well this is grade 12. This is grade 11. This is grade 11 fitness class. You can see that we have a wide variety of equipment. The teacher, Miss Andrew, is over in the middle there, and she will teach all the techniques, how to use the machines carefully, how to put together a program. In any case, great place to be. So this is our tech department. If you come on in, Mr. Lebedinsky, we have Mr. Press right here doing a tech design class. Notice that students have computers that you use. We have 3D printers. This is our construction class. We're doing a little video for grade 8 students, incoming grade 9s, just a little video tour. And if you just look around everybody, this facility is pretty incredible. So I do recommend that you consider doing a construction course or a tech design course or hospitality with Mr. Berger.
Take hospitality. Things are don't make me
Oh, we went in there. We did that already. And really great opportunities in tech. Learning a skill, even if you're not going to find yourself going in that direction as a career pathway, it's a skill that will serve you very well. So hopefully you consider it. So this is one of our art classes.
How are you?
Good morning.
How's it going?
Good, thank you. What day is this?
We're all just moving outside for our outside sketching time. If you guys want to
Awesome.
follow us,
So what grade is this?
you want to do grade 10.
Okay, this is a grade 10 art class. It's something that you might choose coming in to grade 9. I hope you do. Art's a pretty incredible way to express your own creativity. Enjoy your walk, everyone. This is our CommTech room, communication technology. So this is our communication technology room. Students do work in the Mac lab. They learn how to film, edit, and create public service announcements, etc. Okay. So we're just going to head downstairs. This is one of our caretakers. They have been absolutely, totally incredible during all of our restrictions, keeping the school so clean, sanitized, and we are so appreciative of all of their help. help and their work. Oh, sorry, I just locked it. So this is our cafeteria. And it normally would be set up with tables all over and chairs. Unfortunately, right now we're not utilizing it, so it doesn't look exactly the way it would when you're here, but you'll notice that there are some shelves around, and there would be microwaves on those shelves so you can heat up your lunch. And over here is the servery where you could buy your lunch. This is the exit where you come into the caf. The entrance is actually on the other side. And that's our stage. So for the drama department, the stage actually faces this way as well, so that when we have student presentations, or right now the drama department, as you saw when we were in there, students on the stage, it's got a barrier, so they're using it on the other side. This is what our cafeteria looks like. This here is attendance. So if you need to get an admit slip for a student absence, this is where you would come. This is Miss Jalali. And so this is where you come for student attendance, any concerns. And over here is our main office where all of our administrators are. And this is where you would come if you need some help with something. Let's say you're not feeling well, you would come to the office. If you need to speak with an administrator, there's lots of people here to help you. And I think that's about it for our tour. This is the entrance to the school. I'm just gonna sign off. So Miss Ella saying we welcome you to Stephen Lewis. We hope to see you in September. Stay safe, everybody.